Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing just a simple line of sight wing flight. It is kind of dreary outside, so I thought I'd bring this guy out, hopefully so it's easier to see. As well as, while I was at International Open, I put some LEDs on it. I just have them all really, these are tiny LEDs, and I just used 30 gauge wire and just like taped them all over. And I just have it attached to a little XT30 here, so I plug that in. You can see we have green on the left and pink all over on the right. Really sketchy way of doing it, but it works. On the inside we just have pretty much a stock Sonic F1 Sonic Model F1 electronics. We have a D4R2 free sky receiver. Just gonna push that guy in there. We have a 1554S R line there. This guy all plugged in. Definitely not ideal setup, and it's not as dark out as I hope it would be, but hopefully these LEDs show up on camera. They are very bright in person, especially the green. And at International Open I actually did fly this guy at 3 AM in the complete pitch black. That's when I put these on, so they definitely are bright enough to be able to fly by it. Ooh. Oh, there's a tent. Uh-oh. Dude, my battery just fully died. My flight pack, I'm just bringing it down.
Hey!
My flight pack fully died. And just a quick note about this motor mounting that I have in the back. So, originally the motor has sort of this plastic piece on there, but that broke off pretty quickly. It's actually 3D printed. I'd modeled in Fusion 360 and 3D printed this thing where the motor directly screws onto it, and then this piece sort of slides down the edge of the frame, and I used some really strong bonding glue along the edges there because I had problems with the motor kept falling off. And this method is rock solid. You're not gonna, unless you break this whole tail off, which I have, and I've glued it back on, you are not gonna lose the motor this way. So if anyone's interested, if you have this wing and you have the same problem, I can send you this file to 3D print it, and it holds it really, really well on there. So let me know if you need that. So, have not flown this thing in quite a long time. Let's see if it still works. All the surfaces are looking good. Thrust is the right way. It's not really windy out, so see what happens. There we go, up in the air. Definitely wants to roll to the right pretty hard. The LEDs look pretty cool. They're not super bright since it's light out, but they're like nice highlights that I can see on the front edge and the top. Not sure how well the camera's gonna pick them up though.
Better.
Just trying to trim this guy out. There we go, it's much better. Had full trim in the opposite wrong direction. Hope those are showing up. They look really cool in person. Especially those green, they're really bright. This wing is so beat up, and it still just continues to fly. That's why foam wings are the best. You can just hot glue pretty much anything. Whoa! Almost took out the truck windshield. That would not have been good. Yeah, the servos on this thing are a little stripped. So, trying to do full stick loops like that is a little stressing on them. Probably not getting the throw they should be. Yeah, this wing's still kicking. I have a, it's a 2216 2000 kV motor. I have a 6045 prop on it. This thing hauls. Compared to one of my quads that we clocked at 120 miles an hour, this thing probably does about 100 full battery. Can really move if it wants to. Little emblem in there. I really wish I could do a video at night, and I tried to before, but you just can't see anything at all. Although I fear like that's how this is showing up, and that you can't see them. LEDs are a really hard thing to film. But they definitely do make it way easier to fly. Like when I'm out there turning around, because the plane's white and the clouds are white. So having green, or two different colors is very nice. Green are definitely brighter than the pink. And these are just the stock little tiny LEDs running on 3S, so they could be brighter on 4S or 5S, and you can get different colors. And that battery, it's probably been about 5 minutes. Let's try to bring it in for a landing. Probably way too fast here. This thing's really hard to land. It's not like to slow down. Wow, that was quite a bit short. So yeah, this is what I was talking about these servos being stripped. The servos are, I think I just pulled these out of an old E-Sheen plane or something because I stripped the other ones. But yeah, servos definitely is an upgrade. But the overall plane, the fuselage, and the power system of this, definitely a very solid platform. And I just thought it'd be interesting to do a little line of sight flight here since you guys haven't seen this in a while, and adding these LEDs on. Hopefully they showed up on camera. So that's going to be the end of the video. Still definitely my favorite wing that I have. There'll be links down in the description to the parts as well as the LEDs that I've used. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.